currently in the middle of nowhere, south of Tucson. Trying to buy this fat cat. Oh, here it is.
I'm impressed with this. Not the camo edition anymore. No more spray paint.
No more spray paint.
Doing all your handiwork, getting this plastic all minted out.
It's fine. This one might be.
What's up, guys? It's Sunday. I promised you guys some clips of the old Honda Fat Cat. I didn't get around to it till today because we were in Vegas enjoying SEMA.
Welcome back!
I only got to go for a couple days. Hope you guys enjoyed those videos. I apologize for Alex. He's a little bit drunk in the videos. You're gonna have that, but let's get this camera flipped around. I'm gonna show you guys the Fat Cat. Thing's pretty sweet. So if you guys remember, this thing was spray painted. Mechanically, it was solid, other than like wheel bearings, you know, a couple control cables, stuff like that. Motor was solid, started first kick. I mean, really, it was just cosmetic. Basically, Alex had to strip all the paint off these fenders and wet sand them. They're not glossy. They're actually kind of a dull finish. We're gonna go back and probably touch all that up. But for right now, I think it turned out great for what it is. We got some graphics off eBay, seat cover too. Anybody out in YouTube land has a seat foam, that would be nice. We're gonna eventually pull this back off, get that replaced, and go from there. But yeah, guys, mostly just wanted to show you what you can do with elbow grease in a little bit of time. Obviously, you guys knew this thing took a little bit of a while to get finished up. It's always waiting on parts. But after sourcing everything for this build, it's back together. We're excited about it. So we went ahead and we powder coated the whole chassis. This thing got completely glass beaded, so top to bottom. Actually removed the paint that was on this cover, so it's just bare aluminum now. Guys were asking about that. Gas tank, again, powder coated. That thing was in mint shape, no rust. I was honestly really surprised about that. Handlebars powder coated. Just threw a Pro Taper pad on here. There's no cover on it. Just keeps that vintage look. Guys, I want to get this chain cover right here. If anybody has one of those, I'd like to get that back on there. The other one was a little bit beat up. Anybody that has a rusty exhaust, I mean, we just sandblasted it, guys. Hit it with some black grill paint, just the high temp grill paint. Replaced these screws, I believe, something we had. But again, there was no rot on this thing. It was just dirty, really, really dirty. Alex went ahead and rebuilt the carburetor with a carb kit. I'm looking for one of these handbrake cables. Anybody has one floating around, let me know. So there was some pretty nasty holes basically cut in here. I don't know what was there. It looked like somebody welded a peg. So Drew went ahead and basically patched that, smoothed it out. Can't even tell. Got some dirt on here from riding it the other day. Yeah, guys, pretty happy with it. Told you guys to make a video. I didn't want to keep forgetting. Just got a little bit crazy at the end of the week, getting ready to leave for a couple days. Yeah, this thing's sick for sure. Love the old bikes. Renthal grips, they work fine. We built this thing to ride it, not stare at it. So when I take the big ride out, be riding this thing too. Yeah, the gas tank's wicked clean. Threw some paint on top of the gas cap. Hope you guys enjoy the vintage stuff. There's many more projects coming. We're always finding stuff like this. If you guys have any of these for sale, just hit me up. bbcracing@gmail.com. I'm sweating, guys. We just left the air show. Basically baked in the sun for a couple hours. I'll insert a couple pictures from that. But yeah, just trying to have fun on a Sunday. We came in and do a little bit of organizing. We're heading out of here. So again, if you guys like the vintage projects, hit me up. If you have them for sale, everything from a air-cooled ATC 250R to a Fat Cat to got anything like that, just hit us up. So Anyway, guys, I'll insert some clips of us having fun on it the other day. Drew and I were just, again, ripping around after work with the 110 and the Fat Cat, and I'll even throw some clips of how it looked before. The thing was nasty. I appreciate the deal that we got on it. The price was right. It just needed cosmetics, but in terms of the motor and this thing running, I mean, the fork seals didn't leak, motor ran beautiful. It was just cosmetics. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna take this thing back out on the trails. We'll get the big red out, get a couple of the other vintage bikes out, and get some more riding content for you guys. So
it's not perfect, guys. Like, it's not perfect. Anybody has some mint seat foam out there in the YouTube land, let us know.
Please, we need another seat for this thing.
But from what it was, yeah. Dude, I'm impressed with this. Not the camo edition anymore. No more spray paint.
No more spray
Doing
paint.
all your handiwork, getting this plastic all minted out. That's a ripper, man. Yeah. You want to try it? Yeah, I'll try it. Yeah, I'll take one. Definitely feels like 1987, man. This thing's sweet.
It's not as bad as the ATC trike,
Honestly,
is it?
the tires, because they're so beefy, it takes a little bit of the suspension action away. They're just stiff. But break them in. Not on the pavement, obviously.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now, before I forget, these tires are here. I've had a lot of questions on what they are. So you go right to sunoff.com. They actually have them right on their website. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you guys the size, and yeah, you guys can go order this size. It does fit. It's really tight on the swing arm. I'll show a clip of that. But you know, we've been running these on the trikes. They are really heavy. They got big knobs. If you're riding in the rocks and the sand and the ruts and all that fun stuff, they work great. Let me flip the camera around. Just a little close up right here. So it's a 24/811. I believe we ran the same size in the back. I wanted equal tires on this thing. It just made sense, and it's honestly what we could get for it. So yeah, 24/811 SunF. Show you guys a little close up. It is real close, but that's how we build stuff sometimes. We're used to having tight tolerances. You guys can see a little bit of dirt there from the chain. Let's zoom in here. Pretty much get like a finger behind that. Chain is all the way forward right now, so farther you adjust this back, the more clearance you're gonna have up in the front. But it works, and again, it's what we could get for something that wasn't a crazy price. I wasn't looking to get brand new OEM tires. Again, we're riding this thing, so see you guys in the next video.